Hey, Shannon Aikau back again, and we are getting down to really the final assembly on this thing. So we're going to be putting the handlebars on, the gas tank on, and hopefully more stuff on, and cleaning the floor up.
Just a few bits laying around and a few bolts.
We're getting there.
It's looking good.
Let's get a little bit of Loctite. A little bit of Loctite don't hurt no one.
You do not want your bars coming off at the wrong time. At all.
At the wrong
there are not many right times.
Yeah, you don't want them coming off.
Okay, do you want me to hold these?
Yeah. Let's make sure. Hold that.
Yep.
Missing the two washers that go up top. Let's see.
Looking good.
Of course, I can find two. Oh, there's one. Let's see. Man, I can't express enough about having a parts bin to go to, or I should say, not parts bin, but a hardware bin, right?
Right.
And this
The extra little tools you
crucial
need.
little tool. And this is not to tighten it up, this is just to merely
Get it in place.
Now mind you, this is another set of bars, actually a whole different front end that we're putting on here. So after we get the gas tank on, we'll actually see if we can use this set of bars. Because it looks cool on the build.
It looks cool.
So just because it looks cool doesn't mean you can use it. So
You can ride it, yeah.
we're going to find out. Let me get on that side. I sure hope we can use it. It would be pretty cool. I'm liking the way it's turning out.
It's changed the whole shape of the bike.
It has, hasn't it?
Oh yeah. The whole new front end.
You want to take this bike home with you, Murray?
I would love to, but I think it's going to be someone else. I'm like, oh, you know?
Did I put you on the spot?
Yeah.
You know, my wife's always hounding me to get rid of stuff. So.
Yeah, I'm not sure my wife would like it if I emptied out my bank account.
I could put a passenger seat on it for you.
Uh-huh. And one for the kitty.
Yeah. Oh, no, we put her on a backpack.
Okay. Looking good.
Yes. All right. Okay. You know what I want to see? I want to make an educated guess here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it looks really good.
It looks really good.
I like the way it looks.
Yeah, but you don't think the gas tank will fit.
Well, it'll fit on, but I don't know about the turning radius on this thing.
Right.
If it's going to hit.
But it could be worth it.
Yeah. So, shall we just put it on for measures?
Yeah, see if it works.
Okay. I didn't get a chance to clean up the... You know what? It's going to work, man. Look at this.
That is awesome. That's
awesome. Going to work.
Yeah. We can clean up the tank once it's on.
Yeah. Let's get that in place. Let me see.
Yeah,
that's one.
Can we get that one in?
Let me put some Loctite on it.
No wandering gas tanks.
No. I do not want that coming loose at all. Let me find the right... Can you hold on to that?
Yep, I've got it.
Alright. Let me go find the right washers for this thing. So as you know, when we were taking this apart, there was some bolts that didn't work here and there.
Yeah.
And
random bolts. This is how you get random bolts. Yeah. Random bolts from the random bolt box.
And I know that I said that I didn't want to see any extra nuts and bolts, but
If we use new random ones,
we're putting new ones in, so it's not like
Yeah.
it's extra. So
there are no bolt holes without bolts. That's the most important thing.
yes. Let's get the back one. You want to do the honors?
Thank you.
Didn't break.
Didn't break. That's
That was just the teeth moving on the rack.
Telling me.
You were good. That was good. I just gave it a little bit more.
Yeah.
But man, it's looking good.
That is looking great.
Wow.
Well.
Sometimes you just gotta take a step
And if that
back
would just
and look at it.
Just tidy it up. It's going to look amazing.
Okay. We are going to take that piece off.
Because we don't need that.
No,
we
we don't need that.
It needs a little Phillips screwdriver.
Here you go. We got a Phillips screwdriver. I am going to take a look at this clutch cable. Come up that side. Find the nicest way to route this. Yeah, that looks good.
That works. Do you want me to put this on?
Let me get this situated right there. And actually, let me get this clutch cable
Fixed.
on since I'm on this side.
I'm getting excited. Are you getting excited?
I'm definitely excited. I mean, look at the lines of this thing.
Yeah. That's beautiful.
See it? Totally different than what we brought in here.
Oh, 100%.
Are you digging it?
It's yeah. Oh
Right?
yeah.
I am.
This is
But as you can see from what's going on right now, this is what you can do with things that you get, things that you got lying around.
swap meat.
This is it.
Parts, yep.
This is how you do it. Caught that. That was a good catch. You didn't see that? The camera saw that though. Alright, let's get this in here. What's going on here? Alright, let's see. Let's get this back there. That situated there. We're not going to take that up yet. We're going to take up the slack.
And fit it in on the back.
Adjusting this clutch.
I'm going to bring the camera around so that people can see you adjusting the clutch.
So this is how you start the adjustment on the clutch. This is loose. And you bring it in and you watch the movement. You can see the movement starting to move.
Yep. Camera
Clutch.
for that.
Yep. Your clutch lever. So you want to tighten this down till you just see this moving. And you're picking up all the slack that you can. And back this off. About a quarter turn.
Okay.
You want to start by...
That is a great
So
little
you
tip.
go to 0.
Yeah. And
There's
then back.
no movement. You kind of see the clutch plates moving.
Yeah.
And you back it off a quarter turn. And that's a good place to start. So I am going to get an 11/16. It's snug, but I need an 11/16 socket behind you. So that first row of sockets that are missing.
Yep.
So keep going down to your right. Go right, and you'll see one that says 11/16. Going down, yep. And that's gonna be I actually have a tool at work that goes in, has a hole that can hold that. But I trust it. I've done it enough. So we're gonna pick up the rest of the slack off of here. Just leave a little bit of pressure on the clutch arm. And it's gonna start picking it up. Let's test it. You wanna pull on here, pull the clutch lever, still holding tight on the cable, let loose. Make sure there's just a little bit of play in there. If not, then you'll get the gist of it. Now that's all good. Your cable seems adjusted. Watch movement. You can see the clutch diaphragm moving in and out. Then you can actually put the cover on. Shall we do that?
Shall we do that? So remembering to put the seal on.
Just merely acting as a dust gasket right now because there's no fluid in here. And we've made sure that everything was tight, right? Kind of?
Yep.
We'll wipe this down once we get it on. Make sure there's no obstructions in here. That's on. Get your bolts, which I should have had out. These are a little mismatch, whatever you want to say.
Found in someone else's bolt bucket for a while.
Yeah, I will get them all situated. I promise. So you know what? Right now, we'll just put them on to get them going.
So no Loctite right now because we just
and we'll fix it up later.
Fixing it up later.
Change them up.
So what do we? So is that the? We can screw this up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put this one, just the one on here, just to hold it. Alright, that's that for now. As you can see, it's going together fine. Let's get this brake assembly on here. That was way too easy, right? Way too easy.
Way too easy.
Actually, we have to find where the other side of the grip went for the throttle.
That's true. It has.
I just hope it's not in the storage shed.
Right now we have odd grip. We have no grip on the throttle and odd levers, but
that's okay.
That is this bike.
That's okay.
That is this bike all over.
So, shall we take a break and find the grip?
Yeah, we will be back next video.
I promise we'll be back. Aloha.